Did you know that 80% of content creators on YouTube are already using AI tools to automate parts of their workflow? What if I told you that AI could transform how you create, optimize, and even grow your YouTube channel without the burnout? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that's not just the future, it's already here: AI tools and YouTube automation. If you've ever wondered how some creators consistently post high-quality content without losing their sanity, you're about to find out. As a content creator, consistency is key. But let's face it, maintaining quality, uploading regularly, optimizing for SEO, and engaging with your audience can become overwhelming. Traditional methods can quickly lead to burnout or even stagnation. And that's where AI tools come in. They're designed to streamline processes, saving you time and effort while maximizing results. But how do you pick the right tools? Let's break it down. From video editing to thumbnail creation, there are a ton of AI tools that can take your YouTube game to the next level. Tools like Descript for easy video editing, VidIQ and TubeBuddy for keyword optimization, and Pictory for creating eye-catching thumbnails in minutes. These tools can help you automate repetitive tasks, like generating captions, optimizing titles, or even finding trending topics for your niche. But it doesn't stop there. AI-driven tools like Syllaby, Lumen 5, and Synthesia can generate high-quality videos from text or create virtual presenters. The best part? These tools are getting smarter every day, meaning they're not just automating tasks. They're improving your content quality too. Links in the description. Take a look at Jade. Well, technically Jade's someone I just made up, but you'll get the idea. Jade's a YouTuber who started using AI-powered video editing tools last year. She cut down her editing time by 75%, went from posting once a week to every day, and saw her subscriber count double in just 3 months. That's the power of AI automation in action. Working smarter, not harder, and scaling up fast. So, whether you're struggling with burnout or just want to boost your productivity, AI tools are revolutionizing YouTube content creation. They're your key to working more efficiently, getting better results, and most importantly, growing your channel in a sustainable way. Are you already using AI tools to automate your YouTube workflow? Drop a comment below and let me know which ones you're loving. And if you want more tips on how to make money online with AI, like and subscribe for more content coming your way. Don't forget to check the links to the AI tools in the description. Syllaby will knock your socks off.